In case you missed it, Simply Earth just launched Blue Tansy, my favorite essential oil. I've been longing for this day, and now they've launched their very first blend with Blue Tansy in it called the Resilience. So in today's video, we're going to talk about this blend and how we can use it. So if you missed the video on Blue Tansy, go back and watch it. This is their Blue Tansy. It is very affordable. I believe it's $20 for a 5 milliliter, which is a very good price. Blue Tansy is a more rare, bougie, more expensive essential oil. It is very sweet and earthy. It's just like a well-balanced aroma for being a single essential oil. It smells so good. I could just bathe in this every single day. It just has so many emotional wellness and skin benefits, and that's going to be similar to the blend. Resilience is a blend of whole wood, frankincense, black spruce, and blue tansy. So I'm going to talk about each individual oil, what their properties are and what they can do for us, and then some recipes also. I have not smelled this yet. I was waiting for this video to do a smell test, and I'm also going to make a little skincare serum too with this blend. So with it having blue tansy, oh, it's really, really good. So with it having blue tansy, it is going to be a blue tinted, like blue in color essential oil. So with both of them, just be careful and mindful of it staining. So if you're using it for skincare or whatever it may be, don't use it on your laundry, on your dryer balls, things like that, because it will stain clothes. It smells so good. So more sweet and smooth than just blue tansy on its own. It's a really good blend. That smells super good. This is going to, you know what I'm going to use this for first thing. So I have the Courage blend, which is the, oh my gosh, I can't even remember what the Young Living calls it, but it's like the Confidence, the Courage blend. And it has blue tansy in it. This is very similar to that. So in the way that I use that is mostly in an inhaler, honestly. So I just take an essential oil inhaler, put some of this on the cotton wick. Blue tansy is just so uplifting to me. So I'm definitely going to make a Resilience inhaler, and I definitely recommend you to do that too. This smells amazing. Whole wood, it's known for calming and soothing properties. It's high in linalool, which is what lavender has in it, which makes it super calming. So it's going to be soothing in that way. It's antibacterial, anti-inflammatory, so really great in a skincare blend like this. Frankincense, we all know, is the king of essential oils. It's very good for skincare and rejuvenation, and helping with the aging end of skincare. So think just like smoothing, rejuvenating, making your skin look more youthful. Also helps with inflammation. Black spruce is next, and I've never used black spruce in a skincare product or have seen it, but it's grounding and uplifting, making it an excellent choice for mental clarity, emotional balance. So that's going to be more on like the emotional wellness side of it. Tree oils are really great for emotional wellness and supporting your emotions, respiratory health, and alleviates stress. So this is going to help clear skin. It's anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, so it's going to be helpful in that type of way. Oh my gosh, I can't stop smelling it. Blue tansy obviously is next, and I did talk about all of the benefits of blue tansy recently, but blue tansy is sweet and herbaceous. It's very uplifting, so it's going to help a lot with the stress and tension, that type of thing, but it's anti-inflammatory. It's really great for calming the skin and providing a glow, and that's why I like to add it. I use blue tansy in my skin care almost every day. I like making blue tansy serum just with some jojoba oil, but this is going to elevate that and make it even better. So I'm going to make a serum today with Resilience blend, and then this is their Simply Earth's face serum base. So I can show you all of this. I will link down below. All of their stuff is so affordable. I was actually going to show quick to how much Resilience was, and then so it's $17.99 for this blend. This is a blend of camellia seed oil, jojoba oil, sunflower seed oil, rosehip, and hemp seed oils. We're going to do like 8 drops of Resilience in this bottle, and then I'm going to just add all of that 15 milliliters of the face serum base. So I will put all of this down below too, so that you don't have to remember all of the measurements or the ratios. You just want to make sure that when you're making something for skincare and you're putting it on your face, and like this, I'll put it on nightly, so daily, you want to make sure the dilution rate is proper to whatever body part and how often you're going to be using the product. And then I'm just going to pour this into here. You also want to be mindful, like if making a serum like this, if you're using lemon for like the antioxidant brightening properties, or bergamot, like an oil that is photo sensitive, you want to make sure that you're not putting it on in the morning before you're going out into the sun. We have a face serum that we can use after we cleanse and treat with the serum and moisturize. You can use oils last, or you can use it in place of your moisturizer. It just depends on you and your skin type and what works for you, but make sure you're using it on clean skin. And then I also have a couple more recipes in this blog post. So stress reliever roller blend, so mixing up some resilience into a roller blend. And by the way, this is not diluted in a carrier oil. I know when some essential oil companies have a blend, some of them pre-dilute and add coconut oil to the blend. This is not diluted, so that really is a good price too, knowing that it's just pure essential oils. It is not already cut with a carrier. So there is a roller blend. Just put some of this into a roller with some carrier oil, dilute it, and use for, like, we're traveling soon, so I like to use that type of blend on the plane or in the airport. I will add, because I wrote this up before I actually got in here and smelled the essential oil, but this will make a great inhaler, like I said. So I will just add in here how to make an essential oil inhaler, and maybe link my video on how to do that, but that's what I'm going to do right after. But I'm definitely going to make that. There's a moisturizer recipe. There's a bath soak just with some Epsom salt, a carrier oil, and this blend. Taking an aromatic bath is so beneficial. Also a recipe for a skin healing face mask. And so we're using a bentonite clay or whatever type of clay you like to use for your face mask, honey and the Resilience blend, and some water or rose water or any type of hydrosol that you want to add to kind of power of your face mask. I love doing that. It's like instant gratification. Your face is so bright and smooth afterwards. I like to do that every couple of weeks. Just don't do that too often. Okay, so that's it for the video. This is a 10 out of 10 for me. This is my favorite. I am just biased because Blue Tansy is my favorite essential oil, but this smells so good, and I just already know I'm going to use it and reach for it so much. But let me know what you guys think. The last thing I will point out is that on their website, you search for Resilience, the website will pop up, or the page for it will pop up, and then you can scroll down to where it says Certificate of Purity, and then you can view each individual essential oil will be linked, so you can see the GCMS report for each essential oil. With a blend, it's just tricky because it is not a single oil, so they don't just test this. They test each single oil before making the blend, but all of that is linked. The transparency is out of this world for Simply Earth in their education and support, and just so much. And they also have a monthly recipe box that I share here every single month, so make sure you go and look for those on my channel. Thank you guys. Let me know if you have any questions, and I hope you have a great day. Bye.